GrokPrime AI review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called GrokPrime AI. So right now we are on the sales page. How do you come to the sales page? For that you will find a link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab this copy here, grab GrokPrime AI copy here, click on that link, then come to the page right here. And let me give you a discount coupon as well, which is GrokPrime 2, and that will give you $2 discount. So use this coupon code. And then we have the demo video as well here. So we'll show you what this program is all about. So it says gives you lifetime access to Elon Musk's most powerful AI model, this and that, without paying any monthly fees. So just keep scrolling and you have to find the demo video. So keep scrolling and you will be able to generate some videos, audios, content using this AI. It's all in one system. So let's keep scrolling until we find the demo video. There's a demo video. Okay. So when you come to the sales page, you have to watch this demo video in your own time. Right now, I'm going to show you some glimpses. So let's log in. And then this is your Grok chat box, whatever you call this. And you just type in some prompts here, whatever you want, articles, videos, audios, and it will generate that for you. And you can use the AI version here. And then let's see. So you can watch this demo video in your own free time. And this is the website builder, I guess. It has created some website for you, the funnel. And if you want to know what bonuses you're going to get if you go and buy this using my link below, then watch the video till the end, because we don't discuss the bonuses in the beginning. So I'll explain everything in the end. And also if you are interested in making money online, so make sure you watch the video till the end to know how. And I have given you the discount coupon already, right? So let's fast forward and you can create the game as well. You see, you can create some puzzle game, Candy Crush, whatever this is. And then you can create some videos, I guess. So it says create luxury modern something swimming pool. So this is the image. You can create the image. Next will be the video, I guess. That's the video you can create using the software. Robots saving the planet Earth, I guess. There you go. Short videos. Okay. And then you can create some audio files. So you can create some audio introduction as well. So go and check out the demo video in your free time, and you will find the demo video on the sales page right here. Keep scrolling and let's see some question answers at the bottom. So what we got? We have some questions here. So do I need any experience? No. Limits. Your access include generous usage. So it's not unlimited because you have to buy the OTO one or something to get the unlimited version, but it's generous. So is this really one time? Yes. What is the difference between the videos, images, and other assets? Grok 4.5 powers reasoning. So you can read all these questions. What happens when XAI releases new Grok AI model? Everything is covered. Okay, so you can go and read all these questions in your own free time. If we have further questions, you can email them as well. So whether you want this, what is the name again? GrokPrime AI. Whether you want this or not, but if you want my bonuses, which we'll talk about in the next 2 minutes, then you have to go and buy using my link below so that you can get my bonuses. Okay, so what the bonuses are, I'll explain that in 2 minutes. And then let's talk about the funnel right here. So these are the OTOs. You can see OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can pick and choose. This one will give you unlimited version, so you can pick up the OTO 1. My bonuses are already linked with the sales page. As you can see, this is my bonus URL. So when you buy using my link below, then you will get the bonuses. So now if you want to know what the bonuses are and how to make money online, then watch the video till the end. Alrighty, humans. So we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for Review to Profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for Review to Profit AI, okay, to know how this works. But it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kish Hacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you, okay? Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is, okay? And if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading, okay? So in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos, okay? So the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget, okay? Second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all. This is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic, okay? So when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks, okay? So go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever, okay? So go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there, okay? What else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes, okay? So you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing, okay? Or if you have any questions, you can email me when before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kish tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus, okay? Because as you can see here, I'm selling kish tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well, okay? But if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus, okay? So how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically, okay? Otherwise, you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually, okay? And if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free, okay? I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy, okay? So what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds, okay? Make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value, okay? I told you I sell this separately, okay? So maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, 10, 12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus, okay? So only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker, okay? Anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.